Do you ever feel like you're just drifting financially, reacting to expenses instead of planning for your future? Building wealth isn't about luck, it's about a clear, actionable plan. Welcome back to Russell AI Investor. If you're serious about taking control of your money and achieving financial freedom, you're in the right place. Before we dive in, please hit that subscribe button right now and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of our strategies for building wealth. Today, we're creating your financial GPS, a step-by-step guide to building a personal financial plan and setting goals that actually get you where you want to go. This isn't just theory, it's your blueprint for success. You can't plan a trip without knowing your starting point. So the very first step is to take a brutally honest look at your current financial situation. Calculate your net worth. This is simply assets minus liabilities. List everything you own that has value: savings, investments, home equity, car value, and subtract everything you owe: credit card debt, loans, mortgage. This number is your financial baseline. Track your income and expenses. For at least a month, track every dollar coming in and every dollar going out. Use an app, a spreadsheet, or even a notebook. This helps you understand where your money is actually going. You can't manage what you don't measure. This snapshot gives you clarity. It shows your strengths, your weaknesses, and where you might have money leaks. Now for the exciting part, envisioning your future. This is where you set your financial goals. But don't just say, I want to be rich. Make them smart, specific. Instead of save money, say save $500,000 for retirement. Measurable. How will you know when you've reached it? $1,000 in emergency fund. Achievable. Is it realistic given your income and expenses? Relevant. Does it align with your values and long-term aspirations? Time-bound. Set a deadline. Save for a down payment by December 2028. Short-term, 1 to 3 years. Build an emergency fund. Pay off high-interest debt. Save for a new car. Mid-term, 3-10 years. Save for a down payment. Invest in a business. Further education. Long-term, 10 plus years. Retirement, financial independence, generational wealth. Write these goals down, prioritize them, and put them somewhere you'll see them daily. They are your motivation. Step 3. How will you get there? Building your action plan. This is where the rubber meets the road. Your action plan connects your current situation to your future goals. Budgeting and cash flow. Based on your tracking, create a budget. Allocate your income to different categories. Try the 50-30-20 rule. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings, debt repayment. Or, if you're aggressive, the zero-based budget, where every dollar has a job. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings and investment accounts on payday. Pay yourself first is not just a saying, it's a powerful strategy. Debt management strategy. If you have high interest debt, create a plan to tackle it. The debt snowball, smallest balance first, or debt avalanche, highest interest first, are popular methods. Investment strategy. Once your emergency fund is built and high interest debt is gone, start investing according to your risk tolerance and goals. Diversify. Use dollar cost averaging. Your plan is a living document. Life changes, so review and adjust it at least once a quarter or annually. Step 4. Protect your plan. Risk management. A great plan also prepares for the unexpected. Insurance, adequate health insurance, life insurance, and property insurance protect your assets and your ability to earn an income from unforeseen events. Emergency fund. We always come back to this. It's the first line of defense that keeps your plan from derailing due to a sudden crisis. Estate planning. For long short-term goals, consider a will or basic estate planning to ensure your assets go where you intend them to. Protecting your plan means protecting your future. Creating a financial plan might seem like a lot of work, but it's the most empowering thing you can do for yourself. It brings clarity, control, and a clear path to achieving your dreams. Start today. Even small steps lead to big results over time. If this video inspired you to take action, give it a big thumbs up. What's your number one financial goal for the next 5 years? Share it in the comments below. And of course, if you haven't already, make sure you're subscribed to Russell AI Investor for more practical strategies to master your money and build wealth. See you next time.